dancers, as you should know, it is myself, the talented Miss Stephanie. I'm going to show you what we taught for our weekly class here every Thursday at Nick's Nightclub. Now, in our series of last 6 years of being here at Nick's, I do a lot of moves where it's entitled Loop Her, because we're doing moves where we're looping your partner. Today, leaders, you're going to do the loop. It's all going to be about you, at least for the first part. Let off of my left hand, her right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remember 1, 2, 3, and 4 for that without doing anything else. We're going to go 1, 2, real close, 3, and 4. By 4, she's falling back on her right foot because I've pushed her back onto that count. That is the same footwork for her, but for the leaders, it is completely new. So I'm going to drop her left hand when I get out of the 6 count. And as I come towards her, I'm going to take my left arm, turn it counterclockwise, and loop it over my head for 1, 2. So going a little bit from this direction, just from a little bit to the side, right here. So as I come in, I do a loop, and I lean into her, obviously to create less distance. So 1, 2, should start to loop my own head. I'm going to go 1, 2. Now as we do 3 and 4, 3, and I let go of her right hand, take my right hand, and I push her back onto her right foot by 4. So going from the other direction, see it? Probably a little clearer. So you're going to have to get overhead pretty quick. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Because there's nothing pushing her back until I take my right hand and push her back onto her right foot. So now we're in a handshake hold. I'm kind of holding her wrist. 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Because you really want to make sure she feels that connection. The next part is a 5 and 6. It's a rock and go. It's a rock and go, starting to turn to her left. So no death grip on the arm, guys, but you really make sure that there's a triple step count after 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, starting to turn her to the left. Then all you're doing here from here is a triple for her, triple, and triple. So guys, only right hand after the loop. As she's turning to the left, just take your arm, put it down in the middle of her lower back, and the move's done. But you've got to get to that part. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, 10. The other direction this way. That's a cool move, but that connection after the loop is a vital key. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 9, 10. To get out of it, that's one way. The other way is you keep her in close position. So shirt push, same loop, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Come up and connect with her. And then you can do a tuck or whatever you choose to do. But you don't have to end it just as her doing a free spin ending. So one more time this way. It's called loop him. First time ever. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Pull her in. Send her out. You will have to push her. No throw, but you have to push her back to get her away from you, at least to get the move finished. Thank you, my dear. Thanks, guys. Sincerely hope you liked that one the first time here in 2019. We will bring it to you. Remember to click subscribe. It's a free video every week. Until next time, have a great week. Keep dancing.